I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
So requested by the owner. So yan, bago na po yung ceiling. Yan. So storage box or third set. Yan, left and right. Yan. So kung meron kayong gusto ilagay, pwede natin ilagay dyan. Ayan. So check natin dito sa gitna. Ayan. So yan yung interior natin. So beige and gray. Then meron tayong logo na S sa Suzuki. So yan po yung napili ng ating customer. So meron siyang armrest. So meron siyang cup holder. Ayan. Chrome na po yung ating mga handle. Yan. So yan o. Very simple lang po. So yung ating dashboard is back to original po yan. So kinopya lang po natin yung kulay ng ating original na dashboard. Yan. So seat cover. Yan, linis. Very simple lang po mga kol. So yan. So ceiling bago na po. So meron tayong lagayan dito. Yan. So meron din tayong dashcam. Yan. So check natin. Chrome handle. So try natin start yung ating unit. So meron tayong mga rim visor. Ayan. So start natin yung ating unit. Yan. So dapat makapark po tayo. And start natin. So yan, nakastart na. So 7 inches touchscreen stereo with reverse camera. Ayan. So meron tayong storage dito or yung ating console box, mga sun visor, meron din tayong storage dito yan. Then lagayan ng sunglasses, yan, meron yan. Then sun visor, yan. So meron tayong dinagdag na switch. Yung switch na to is yung ating doon sa ating side mirror. So yan, check natin kung gumana ba lahat ng ating power window. Yan, gana, function po lahat. Then sa likuran, close natin. Pwede din gamitin natin yung ating push light. Yan mga call. Kung hindi gagana yung ating remote, so ito gagana po ito. Ito lahat dito. Sa mga double power slide, sa single power slide, gagana po ito lahat. Pagganahin natin lahat yan. Yan, so try natin yung rear na window. Yan, gana po yan lahat. Ayun. So akyat natin. So auto fold ng ating side mirror, fold. Ayan, gana. So yung mirror left, ayan, nag-adjust po siya. Ayan, sa kabila. So check natin sa kabila. Lagay natin sa right. So try natin. Ayan. So gumana po yung ating right side mirror. Ayan. So dito, aircon switch, easy switch. Lagay natin sa auto. Ayan. So gana po yung aircon, blower, hazard switch. Ayan. So check natin yung ating hazard kung gumana lahat. Ayan, gana lahat. So check natin dito sa ating tail light kung gumana ba lahat. Yan. So functional po lahat. So try naman natin yung ating headlight. At yan. So paganahin natin. So yung headlight gana po siya. Yan. Yung park light gana po siya lahat. So yan. So fully tinted po yung ating unit mga call. Yan o. Ganda. So very simple lang. Yan, aircon, ang lamig. Yan. So ang lamig po ng aircon. So gana po dito. Yan. So meron tayong full HD na dashcam. So yan. So yung ating horn gana. So sa ganitong sit up mga call, yung presyo po nito is 335,000. Mid to order basis po tayo. Ganyan yun po yung sit up, 4x2, double power slide, aircon, power steering na po yan. Meron ng chrome side mirror, front and rear bumper. Ayan. Then meron na siyang dash cam. So 7 inches touchscreen stereo with reverse camera. So yung mga remote na pagana sa ating sliding door, bonus na po yan mga call. Ayan. So sa 335 kasali na po yung ating front and rear bumper, storage box, or yung third seat natin, complete LTO registered. Kayo po yung mamili ng kulay ng unit kasi mid to order basis tayo. Kayo yung mamili ng design ng seat cover kung ano yung gusto nyo po. Ayan, with dashcam na po yan. So yan, ulitin ko po, yung presyo nito is 335 mid to order basis. So yan, kung mag-order kayo, visit lang sa ating Facebook account, Dudong Lagan Surplus, or yung ating Facebook page, Surplus TV page. Din dito sa ating YouTube channel, paki-comment po, magre-reply po kami kung makita namin yung inyong comment kung hindi kami busy. Then magbibigay kami ng contact info dyan sa ating description. So yan, ulitin ko po sa mga bago lang sa ating channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Then pakipindot na rin yung ating notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next video uploads kagaya nito. So ingat po mga call, and bye bye, God bless po.